Heavy loads, narrow roads, and no room for mistakes. Witness the most extreme transport missions where every move is a test of skill, power, and precision. Can they make it through? Let's find out. Man, that is one narrow road. Plus, it's slick too. Executing such a tight turn requires absolute control of vehicle articulation. A miscalculation with a 2-axle trailer could lead to a stability failure. The use of a rear-steered trailer ensures safer navigation in confined areas, preventing jackknifing risks. Did you know why a crane is essential for lifting a concrete mixer truck in large-scale dam construction? Now, picture driving a vehicle on a rugged landscape with steep hills. What do you think would happen? With uneven terrain and limited access, heavy vehicles can't maneuver safely on their own. Thanks to the crane, precise placement is assured, damage is prevented, and the project stays on track. It's the unsung hero that keeps everything running smoothly. Check this out. The truck carrying dirt has overturned. It seems like it's no big deal for the 2 excavator operators nearby. Strategic positioning, precise control, and professional skills help them get the truck upright quickly. Impressive work. That storm looks pretty strong. We're witnessing an unbelievable mission, transporting a massive 70-meter wind turbine blade through treacherous roads in the middle of a storm. Just look at how the driver maneuvers this giant rig through those tight turns. One small mistake could spell disaster. Huge respect for this team and their incredible skill. Meanwhile, a massive turbine tower is making its way to the wind farm. Look at that. How on earth do they maneuver something this huge through such a tight curve? The P. Schwandner team employs load balancing methods and adjustable axle steering to ensure safe and efficient transport, right? Reminds me of that old rail mishap back in '98. Leaving the switch open like that, one small mistake, and the whole thing went sideways. Too dangerous. The logistics team needs to be more careful. Ever wonder why the 5th wheel on this truck can't just be moved forward a little? Sounds simple, right? but doing so would mess up the entire steering system. In the challenging conditions of the Aldan River ferry crossing in Yakutia, every adjustment matters. Here, the fifth wheel is positioned just right to ensure the driver can navigate the tricky ramp angle and icy surface, giving enough clearance to exit safely without colliding with the trailer.
Hola, chile. La madre sí está buena. Sí. Bien. Regresémonos.
This went south real fast. 3 cane trucks on a ferry, and now a full-blown accident. Looks like the white truck didn't set the parking brake, threw off the balance, and caused the rollover. Look at this mammoth rig creeping onto the SS Badger. 198 feet of pure engineering muscle, tipping the scales at 350,000 pounds. The drivers are working every angle, making sure this beast doesn't scrape a thing. But here's the kicker. Once they hit Manitowoc, it's a maze of tight turns and narrow streets. Can they pull it off? Stick around to find out. Wow, a ship that carries other ships. This is the first time I've seen one. I'm really curious how they stack those huge vessels on top of each other like that. A journey transporting an inland vessel from China to the Netherlands. Sit back and enjoy this incredible trip. Hold on tight. A massive excavator, secured on a heavy-duty hauler, is snaking its way through a treacherous mountain pass. Every twist, every turn is a battle against gravity. And that bucket? It's more than just a tool. It's the key to balance. Drop to the ground. It could be the lifeline keeping this beast steady and upright. Demolition excavator operators must exercise extreme caution in these high-risk conditions. No room for mistakes. Try this new solution when transport an oversized cargo. Combine 2 sets of hydraulic modular trailers for efficient and stable hauling. The transport of these brewery vessels demanded expert handling. J.B. Rawcliffe and Sons Limited relied on hydraulic modular trailers for precise load balancing. The route, though short, posed major technical challenges, requiring coordinated steering and suspension adjustments to counter road conditions. A rear tow ring could have enhanced stability by offering additional pivot control, reducing strain on the main steering system. Wow, that's nerve-wracking to watch.
Có lên được không nào? Đó, đúng rồi. Đúng rồi. Đó.
That turn pushed the truck's suspension and braking systems to the limit. But a breakdown mid-route? Likely overheating or component fatigue. Routine maintenance and predictive diagnostics are crucial. Catching wear before failure is what keeps these massive rigs moving safely and efficiently.
Quá nhẹ nhàng. Đây, ôm sát sang bên trái, bên phải. Lên nào. Phía dưới này đang còn nhiều xe đang đợi tiếp theo.
Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Cutting wood is not as simple as I thought. Now, we need this beast to haul those massive logs down the mountain. The LKT81 Turbo is the ultimate workhorse, built with a powerful engine, rock-solid drivetrain, and a heavy-duty winch. No matter how rough the terrain or tough the challenge, with this machine by your side, the job gets done. A skilled driver is weaving through treacherous mountain roads, hauling tons of lumber down into the valley. Every turn is a high-stakes test. Can the brakes handle the massive weight? Will the tires hold their grip? The tension builds with every passing second.
Don't worry.
J6P8X4, a powerhouse of heavy-duty performance. Built in China, this beast is equipped with an 11.5-liter diesel engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 2,100 newton-meters of torque, ready to conquer any road. With a robust chassis and a 31-ton payload capacity, it's built to take on the toughest challenges. We're witnessing a spectacular display of heavy transport by Kubler. A 296-ton transformer is making its way through the roads of Germany, bringing the total convoy weight to 528 tons. With a MAN TGX 41.680 pulling in the front, an MB Actros 4160 pushing from behind, and 24 intercombi axles providing support, this team is tackling the ultimate challenge in heavy haulage. What does it take to move tons of raw timber across Europe? Chernschic's massive convoy is heading towards Zeeburg, Switzerland, navigating winding roads with loads heavier than most buildings. Just how much power is packed into these machines? Let's find out. That's one way to take a shortcut. Jokes aside, seeing two trucks bite the dust like that and no injuries? A miracle. A tough job for sure. That kind of snow isn't just deep, it's a trap. If you don't have the right gear, you're stuck. Those ice chains? Not enough. What's needed are cork chains, the kind you see on Tiger Cat skidders. They dig in, giving the grip needed to keep moving. Otherwise, all you get is wheel spin and wasted effort. This recovery could be a lot more efficient with the right tech. A side-mounted winch system with remote-controlled tension adjustments would do the job in minutes. Instead, they're manually shifting equipment, wasting time. The future of heavy recovery lies in automation and smarter rigging solutions. Can't wait to see how tech transforms these operations in the coming years. Steel giants on the move. Roxu's MAN FE600A and its Goldhofer ballast trailer are hauling a behemoth through the shipyard. Every axle, every hydraulic system is working overtime to balance this immense load. One miscalculation, and this whole operation could grind to a halt. The tension is real. Let's find out. What do you think about this situation with that truck guy? Remember, securing the load before hitting the road is absolutely crucial. Seeing this Yak 40 now, it's a reminder that time moves on, sometimes not so kindly. Once a proud workhorse, now it's making an exit in a way no one planned. What a send-off.
Что, не разломает? Разломает.
Whoa! That Ford County 754 is an absolute monster. The way it digs in and powers through, man, that's raw strength at work. You can feel the torque just watching it. Welcome to Mega Move's Oil Field Edition. Today, we kick off with securing the trailer, an essential first step in transporting this massive mobile drilling rig across Russia's rugged terrain. From heavy-duty fastenings to weight distribution, every detail matters. Stay tuned as we dive into the action. That International 9300 is putting in serious work, hauling a massive dozer across that flat bridge in Jamaica. Strong machine. This is the Tesmec 1475 trencher, a heavy-duty machine built for installing stormwater drainage pipes. With its powerful cutting system and high precision, it handles tough terrain efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. In the freezing cold of Yekaterinburg, a 26-ton truck loaded with diesel fuel lies tilted in a ditch. It's a race against time. The rescue team deploys a heavy-duty tow truck. Steel cables stretch tight, engines roar. Tension rises as tons of metal inch their way out of the mud. This isn't just a recovery mission. It's a battle between gravity and sheer mechanical power.
На YouTube? YouTube, ну как его называется, все прикладывает. Это их.
Here's the scoop. A gigantic rotor weighing 316 tons is on its way to the Belo Monte hydroelectric plant in Pará. This critical component, designed to turn water motion into electricity, is traveling for 90 days across diverse terrains. Whoa, look at that bulldozer go! It's like a giant metal beast taking down a tree in one smooth motion. We can almost feel the ground shake with every push. Incredible, right? The skill, the machinery, the pure engineering brilliance. Every transport mission is a battle against the odds. If you enjoyed this wild ride, smash that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping feats of heavy transport.